On Christmas Eve many years ago, I lay quietly in my bed. I did not rustle the sheets. I breathed slowly and silently. I was listening for a sound I was afraid I'd never hear.
Well, you coming?
Where?
Why, to the North Pole, of course. This is the Polar Express.
Hey, you. Yeah, you. Do you know what kind of train this is?
Huh?
Train. Do you know what kind of train this is? Well, do ya?
Of course. It's a magic train. We're going to the North Pole.
Ah, I know it's a magic train. Actually, it's a Baldwin 284 S3 class Berkshire-type steam locomotive. Built in 1931 at the Baldwin Locomotive Works. It weighs 456,100 pounds and has a tractive force
we
of
really going to the
53,450
North
pounds.
Pole?
Top speed at... Hey, wait a minute.
Isn't that wonderful?
Herpesheimer! Herpesheimer!
Herpesheimer's. Bah! I can't stand children. They're the only ones silly enough to believe in Santa. It's toys that make Christmas fun, not Santa. Well, they certainly won't believe in Santa if they never reach the North Pole. And they won't reach the North Pole if they don't have tickets for the Polar Express. And they'll never find these tickets before the conductor throws them off the train.